This is the 2026 BMW M5, a super sedan pushing 700 horsepower, redefining what a four-door performance car can be. Today, we're diving deep into the design, performance, interior, technology, and why this might be the most extreme M5 ever built. Let's get started. At first glance, the 2026 BMW M5 looks bold, muscular, and unapologetically aggressive. BMW's latest design language is on full display: a wider stance, sharper lines, and a commanding road presence. The iconic kidney grille is larger but more refined, with active aero shutters improving cooling and efficiency. Sleek laser LED headlights give the M5 a futuristic stare, while sculpted hood lines hint at the power beneath. From the side, flared wheel arches house massive 21-inch M alloy wheels wrapped in ultra-high performance tires. At the rear, quad exhaust tips, a carbon fiber diffuser, and an aggressive lip spoiler remind everyone this is not a regular 5 Series. Now let's talk about what truly defines the M5: performance. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW M5 is powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 paired with hybrid assistance, producing an astonishing 700 horsepower. That means 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3 seconds, a top speed exceeding 190 miles per hour with the M driver's package. Instant torque delivery thanks to electric boost. Power is sent through BMW's legendary M xDrive all-wheel drive system, allowing drivers to switch between AWD and pure rear-wheel drive for maximum thrills. This is a luxury sedan that can embarrass supercars. The 2026 M5 isn't just about straight-line speed. BMW engineers have fine-tuned the adaptive M suspension, electronic limited slip differential, and rear-wheel steering to deliver razor-sharp handling. Whether you're carving mountain roads or cruising on the highway, the M5 adapts instantly. Comfort when you want it, chaos when you demand it. Massive carbon ceramic brakes ensure confident stopping power, even at extreme speeds. Step inside the 2026 BMW M5, and you're greeted by a perfect blend of luxury and motorsport DNA. The cabin features M carbon bucket seats with heating, ventilation, and memory, premium merino leather with contrast stitching, carbon fiber, aluminum, and ambient lighting throughout. The curved digital display combines a 12.3-inch instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch infotainment screen, powered by BMW's latest iDrive system. Every button, every material, designed to make the driver feel in control. Technology in the 2026 M5 is just as advanced as its performance. You get AI-powered driving modes, advanced driver assistance systems, augmented reality navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air software updates. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. Because even a 700 horsepower monster needs intelligence. Expected to start around $130,000, the 2026 BMW M5 isn't cheap, but for what it offers, it's in a league of its own. This car proves that performance sedans are far from dead. It's fast, it's luxurious, it's brutally powerful. The 2026 BMW M5 isn't just a car, it's a statement. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more future car content, and tell us, would you choose the 700 horsepower M5 over a supercar? See you in the next one.